9 students from Akash Educational Services Limited, Bangalore achieved 99 percentile and above in G Mains 2025, Session 1, Bangalore, 12th February 2025. Akash Educational Services Limited, AESL, the national leader in test preparatory services, proudly announces an exceptional achievement in the Joint Entrance Examination, G Mains 2025, Session 1. An impressive 9 students from Bangalore have scored 99 percentile and above in the first session of the examination. Top achievers include Akash Deep with 99.99 percentile, Anish Shastri with 99.96, Aryaman Mishra with 99.88, Chirag B.H at 99.72, and Aditya Singh with 99.70 percentile. Notably, Akash Deep and Anish Shastri scored a perfect 100 in physics. These results highlight the students' dedication and academic excellence in one of India's most challenging exams. The National Testing Agency announced the results yesterday, marking the beginning of this year's to schedule G Sessions.S. Most of these students enrolled in Akash's classroom program, aiming to crack the prestigious IIT-JEE, recognized globally as one of the toughest entrance exams. Congratulating the students, Mr. Dheeraj Kumar Misra, Chief Academic and Business Head, Akash Educational Services Limited, congratulated the students on their impressive results. He said, "We are proud of our students' achievements in G Main 2025. Their hard work and determination, combined with the right coaching, have led to these excellent outcomes. At Akash, we focus on providing quality education that helps students reach their full potential. Congratulations to all our successful students, and we wish them the best for the next steps in their journey." G Mains is structured in 2 sessions to provide students with multiple opportunities to enhance their scores. While G Advanced exclusively facilitates admissions to the prestigious Indian Institutes of Technology, IITs, G Main serves as the gateway to numerous national institutes of technology.
This accomplishment, and as I've been mentioning, this is just the first step. We have to still go some distance. I'm sure you all would be making us all very proud and wishing you all the very best. And I expect that you guys will reach all or achieve all what you have ever wanted of achieving. With me, I have a very senior leadership here. We have people who have been working with these students for a long time, if not directly, at least on the back. So some good representation from our girl students also with Dikshita and Shruti there, who have done exceedingly well. So congratulations to you too, and all the very best.
I am Sanjay Kumar Gupta and my wife Sandhya Gupta. I am a teacher in Kendriya Vidyalaya. My son Akash Deep, he was just very young when he started developing his sense about the problem solving and logical thinking. By 8th class also he was doing some coding classes and all. He scored very nice in class 10th. Later on he appeared for the NT test in Akash. He got very good gradings. Since then, because he had a good faith and the confidence in the patient learning, Akash people's strong support and guidance made him to achieve this success. So we all should, the message to all the children is that they should have faith and patience. They believe in their teachers, maintain their timetable and curriculum, but always be connected with the teachers. Connection with the teachers will make their goals true. Thank you very much.
I think you covered pretty well. My name is Amitabh. I am Aryaman's father. And maybe a couple of points about the legacy of Akash. I mean, even when we were students 2 decades back, earlier, and Akash carries 36 years of legacy. We also knew about Akash at that point in time, okay, but we never got a chance to really pursue that curriculum. We were always preparing on our own and relying on professors, right, and teachers. So Akash has come a long way. The students have come a long way. It's the next gen that is going to come out and graduate. And of course, the competition has opportunities. You have to understand. I think when we did our engineering, I think we were a few lakhs at most across India. Now it is, as much as I know, it's 13.8 lakhs this year that appeared in JEE Mains. So, but one advice, and I think sir before me spoke, stay connected with the teachers and try to open up in your classroom, have your doubts cleared, and just have that patience. I think you will get through that journey. It will be difficult at times, it will be stressful maybe at times, and it's important to overcome all of that and focus on the important aspects of preparation, I would say. And the exams are very important. And Akash, to give credit, I think Akash also made sure, and to be also sure, I mean, honest, I think there are a few teachers, Yashwant sir in Akash Whitefield and the center head at that point in time, they made sure that he stayed, I think, updated with all the curriculum. Even when he missed out on a few days because of dengue or he was traveling, they helped him catch up and he tried to appear as many exams as he could. So that's the journey, and yeah, like she mentioned, it's still ongoing.
Okay, sir.
There are more exams lined up and they'll be advanced. From our side, we would like to wish all of the students the very best across, not just Akash. Across
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. And thank you also for coming here and talking to us. So this, yeah, let's build more and better engineers and for the country as well. Okay,
Yeah,
so
sir.
we
Thank
the
you, sir.
future. Yeah.
Hello everybody, I'm Bijayani and I'm Aryaman's mom, and today I'm extremely proud that what he has scored in JEE Mains. It has taken a lot of people and lot of support to get here. Of course, Arya is very hardworking and very focused on studies. But along with that, there are a lot of people who have worked towards this goal, especially the Akash teachers and us parents. And this focused environment actually helped him achieve so much, and he's himself put in a lot of hard work. The curriculum in Akash is very well designed. In fact, it challenges intelligent students to go from simpler problems to very tough problem solving, which kind of helps them gain confidence and deal with the exam with more confidence and while staying calm. So which is very important for a kid. Apart from that, it's almost like a family now. Since 2 years, he has been coming to Akash. And I can see the genuine interest in student success in the entire, all the staff. They work towards the success of the students. So I'm very grateful for that. From here, he's also looking forward, he has scored really well in JEE Mains, but he will also be giving advanced. And we are looking towards, he's also aiming to be a really good computer science engineer. So let's see where it goes.
Okay.
And also, you want to add something?